The theme for International Women's Day this year is Inspiring Inclusion. Inclusion is absolutely critical to ensuring that violence prevention programming, practice and policy is effective. In 2023, we launched a really big project called the Wales Without Violence Framework. The framework is a public health approach to preventing violence among children and young people in Wales, and it was co-produced with the Peer Action Collective.
In 2023, we partnered with Plan International UK and supported their work with She's Not Your Rehab, which is a New Zealand-based movement working to end violence against women and girls. As part of this work, we spoke to people right across Wales about what they thought the solutions to ending violence could be. This included speaking to girls and women about the changes they would like to see, as well as speaking to boys and men to engage them as part of the solution to ending gender-based violence and making Wales safer and more equal for women.
I'm proud to be supporting the Violence Against Women, Domestic Abuse and Sexual Violence Research Network in Wales. This research network is a great opportunity for researchers and other professionals to learn, collaborate and connect with others who all work to end violence against women. This International Women's Day, I inspire inclusion to have a Wales without violence.
Being a woman myself, working to prevent gender-based violence is something that is very close to my heart, and that is why I'm really proud of the work we did on the social media campaign last year around the 16 Days of Action, where we interviewed a diverse range of stakeholders who all work to make a Wales without violence and a Wales that is safe for women. During those interviews, we realized how important it was for all of these different sectors to work together, because all of these sectors have a huge role to play in minimizing and preventing gender-based violence, thereby creating a Wales that is safe for women and for creating a Wales without violence.
In 2023, I worked with the Equalities and Social Justice Committee at Welsh Parliament to advise them on a public health approach to gender-based violence prevention for Wales.
Unit, and on this International Women's Day, I'm really proud to have explored key trends in violence against women and girls as part of our 2024 Strategic Needs Assessment. My hope is that this data-driven approach we take in each Strategic Needs Assessment encourages deeper inclusion and discussion of these statistics, so that together we can inspire inclusion to forge a world where violence against women and girls is eliminated.